Is first at 10. A teenager is shot in an officer-involved shooting in southeast Memphis, and 2 others are under arrest. Hello, I'm Stephanie Skurlock. Greg is off tonight. The shooting happened off Winchester near Outland. The teen is just 14 years.
The Shelby County Sheriff's Office needs your help in finding 13-year-old Abby Forrest, a Caucasian female with gray eyes, black hair, and is distinguishable by a scar on her lower left arm. Abby was abducted from her home in Fraser while playing outside. The target vehicle is a white-colored Nissan Alabama plate BDP-578. If you have any information that could be useful in finding her, dial 1-800-CRIME-STOPPERS.
Earlier today, when the scene was a little bit more active, officers say that